Hello there. If you have a Ford Mondeo and the coil pack's broken, it will run like a bag of spanners. Don't worry though. In this video, I'll show you how to replace the coil pack, which is a quick, simple job. Welcome to CarSpyTV. Okay, step one is to open the bonnet and lift off the engine cover. My cover's missing, but this is what you're looking for. We can now see the top of the engine, the coil pack, which is down there, and the ignition leads that run between them. Here's a close-up of the coil pack, which has 4 connectors for the ignition leads. Top left, top right, bottom left, and finally bottom right. The ignition leads need to be removed from the coil pack, but first we're going to mark which one goes where so they don't get mixed up. And the easiest way to do that is with masking tape and this special new invention that's called a pen. This is an important step because if the leads get mixed up, then even with a new coil pack, the car's still going to run like a bag of, you know, these things. There we are. Top left, top right, bottom left and bottom right. We can now simply pull the leads off the coil pack. And we don't need any tools for this, they just come off by hand. 1, 2, 2.5, 3, and finally 4. We now need to remove the power connector, which is that thing down there. Here's a close-up, and to remove the connector, we've got to press a metal clip on its base so we can't see from this angle, but I'm pressing it now. Hear that? And now while holding that clip in, simply pull back on the connector and it pops out of place, and there now we can see the clip. That's the one we've got to hold in. Next, we need to remove the bolts that hold the coil pack in place. There are 4 of these bolts, specifically 1, 2, 3, and 4. And to remove them, we need a T25 Torx bit like this. So let's get these bolts out. It's very noisy here today. There's a bloke over there with a chainsaw. We've had aeroplanes, kids on mopeds, barking dogs, all kinds of things that make it difficult to film a video. It's starting to rain as well. There we go, rain, which means I've had to quickly bring the camera inside to stop that getting ruined. But despite such issues, all 4 bolts have now been removed from the coil pack, which means it can simply be lifted off the car. Let's wait a moment though. Welcome to England, where it's always sunny. Anyway, replacement coil packs are readily available. The cheapest I've seen is £28, but you can pay considerably more. Whatever you buy, I suggest you go for a decent make that's likely to last long term. And of course, fitting it is simply the reverse of what I've already shown you. So, while I do that and dodge the weather, don't forget to subscribe to CarSpyTV. That makes it easier to find my other content. Can you also please do me a favour and click like on this video, and I'll see you next time, probably from under an umbrella. Bye bye.